take a photo of the form. Hii msisahau. Sawa. We are going to develop our own system of what we call transmission. So you can simu yako. We saw everybody has a smartphone, sindio? Also take a what? It is also for your record. Now ukishaichukua, we will designate a line where you'll do what? Where you transmit that form. Sindio? That one allows us to have a head start in terms of confirmation of results. So we pick a picture vizuri na utumia Abdallah. Where will that